Hello, I'm Cody Ramsey. I'm an electronic controls engineer here at Almaco. Today we'll go through a virtual demo for the SeedPro Elite Research Planter. This is the main screen on the user interface, where you'll find 5 main function areas of the planter. Under Setup Planter is where we can go in and change configuration settings such as our number of rows on the planter, number of cells on the plate, our configuration of the splitter, and if we have to make any alley alignment changes is where we would do that. Under Setup Field, we can import from an external file, create a field on the tablet, or we have options to shift the field to get us into the field faster. Under Diagnostics, it makes it easy to quickly check the health of various components on your planter. Review Job is a great tool to see where you have planted and how well it performed, as well as export out for use after planting is complete. To begin a new job, we'll select New Plot Job. Here we'll give our job a unique name. Select a pre-built field from the drop-down menu. Today's demo is focused on the run screen and operational functionality of the planter, but for more information on field creation, please connect with us after the demo. We'll then select our configuration, which is going to tell the planter for this job how many rows the planter is, how many cells are on our plate, and our newly created job, and select Go Plant Job. The system will then connect to Bluetooth, begin receiving GPS data from our AutoSteer system, and connect to the modules on the planter. Once connected, the run screen will then be shown. The run screen is separated by 2 main sections, a map view and a table view. The map view provides real-time positioning information, painting of planted areas, and target population shading. The table shows planter performance and active range and column numbering. The buttons on the right allow the users to access different views, manually control individual sections of the planter, and prime the planter to start each pass. To begin planting in the first pass, we need to press and hold the prime button. This will stage the planter and allow the first packet of seed to make it down to the seed meter and ready to be planted. Once complete, we will engage the AutoSteer system and begin driving at our target ground speed. Using the GPS, the planter will begin planting at precisely the right spot. As the seeds are being planted, the table is actively showing counts, skips, and doubles. The map view shows each row painting where seeds have been placed. In this first pass, all the ranges are 20 feet, and the target population is all the same at 36 seeds per trip. In the count row, the right side number indicates the target seed count for that plot per row, and the left number is the current seed count. In this demonstration, we're planting corn, but the planter is multi-crop capable and can plant soybeans, cotton, and more. The next 2 rows show the current range, skips, and doubles, and this number resets at the start of each range. The next row shows counts from the previous ranges. Active range indicates where the planter is currently seeding. Column number depends on the number of rows per plot. In this example, we have single row plots, so each row is a separate column. The RPM shows the current plate speed for each row, and the number in parentheses is the target speed for that current population. Packet range is for the person on the planter and helps them stay in sync with their packets. We are also showing a 4-row planter, but 8-row planters will be available for this upcoming planting season. To start the next pass, we will start with another prime cycle. This pass will demonstrate the planter's capability to plant a different population row to row. If you look at the count section on the table, you can see the different seed targets for each row. Now that we are planting, you can see all 4 motors are going a different speed in order to achieve the target population. Currently, the painting on the map is all green, indicating where seed has already been planted. There are options to customize the map to use different colors to show varying populations. In this example, we did different shades of blue. Here we can see synced video of the tablet and stationary row units in simulation. Because each row is planting a different population, they must function independently in order to maintain crisp alleys and uniform plot dimensions. Pass 3 demonstrates multi-population per row as well as variable plot lengths. The first two ranges have a common seed target on all 4 rows. In range 3, rows 1 and 2 will plant a 40-foot plot, while rows 3 and 4 continue to plant the 20-foot plots. The planter then seamlessly continues to plant the 20-foot plots across all 4 rows and begins planting a different population on all 4 rows. The population target is changing range to range, from low to high and high to low. And finishing in the last 2 ranges with a common target across all 4 rows. In this example, we'll go through what may happen if someone were to miss a packet in the field. SeedPro Elite has built-in tools to help make error recovery easier compared to our previous SeedPro 360 model. Imagine we were halfway through the pass and the operator missed a packet intended for the left splitter. In this example, we will stop pouring and plant until we run out of seed. We will then pick up and back up behind the affected plot. We will then need to move our active ranges and reprime the planter. This is the manual controls page where we can control individual functions on each row. We can control things such as the rotating seed chamber and run each motor individually. In this error recovery example, we will move rows 1 and 2 back 1 range. You will notice only the unplanted rows becoming active, followed by all 4 rows resyncing and planting the remainder of the pass successfully. To make an adjustment for alley alignment, we will edit our configuration. Using the latency calculator, we can easily align alleys in a few quick steps. There are 2 adjustments that can be made inside of the calculator. Alley alignment is used for the pass-to-pass alignment, and first plot length adjustment is used to dial in the first range of each pass so that the meters start up at the correct time and minimize the castle effect that occurs with our hydraulic system on the SeedPro 360. To align the alleys, we would make 1 round in the field and measure the total offset distance between passes. We will then type in what ground speed was used, the total measured offset, and select the condition that matches whether the alleys were too early or too late. Select Apply and Save. We can then resume the job and verify alley alignment with another round in the field. Field Shift is a great tool that easily allows changes to be made to a pre-built field. Sometimes plans can change once we arrive to the field, and the SeedPro Elite platform is capable of making quick changes to get to planting faster. In this example, the pre-built field is not in the correct location. If offset measurements are known, they can be typed in. In this case, the tractor and planter are aligned with the auto steer driveline and parked exactly where the first seed should start. Select Snap to Current Location to access the current GPS location. Then, select Shift by Config to populate the number of rows, row spacing, and GPS offsets. Select Continue to move the origin point. We can preview the new shift position and save. The original field file remains unchanged. The shifted field generated a new field entry and is designated with _shift in the name. This field is now ready to be assigned to a job and planted. The SeedPro Elite Research Planter delivers the most precise seed placement and targeted plot dimensions in the industry. Seed is automatically sensed on the seed plate, and the motor speed is adjusted to optimize seed placement. Synchronization between rows and automated timing generates consistent plot starts every time. Consistent allies are more than just pride of ownership and aesthetics. Border plants in each plot experience equal sunlight exposure and soil nutrient opportunities. Consistent plots also reduce carryover because it is easier to harvest each plot without taking plants from another. Combined with electrical individual row controls and flexible mapping, Elite provides unmatched data quality and control. SeedPro Elite provides planting flexibility without stopping to adjust any settings. Within the same pass, Elite can plant variable seeding rates by range and variable plot lengths by range. Within the same range, Elite can plant variable seeding rates by row and variable plot lengths by row. Map customization delivers efficient plot planting that meets the unique, specialized needs of seed research. Elite also includes a new intuitive user interface for easy operations and simple planter controls. SeedPro Elite integrates with your tractors and guidance systems for more operational flexibility. Available as a new planter or as an upgrade kit to an Almaco SeedPro 360 planter. Experience the next level of planting precision with the Almaco SeedPro Elite Research Planter.